Have you ever had that planner na hindi ka lang tinutulungan sa mga schedules mo, pero this is your best hype crew? Listen to this. I am energized. I am respected. I am stronger than any challenge, and I rise with grace and resilience. What's that? Diba? So, ito yung favorite planner ko. Belle de Jour. And I think this is designed for the modern, organized Filipina. Na-curious ako, kaya tinanong ko yung creator nito na si Darlene Pinilo, paano niya naisip gumawa ng ganitong planner? Parang, hindi lang to planner, pero parang may best friend ka pa who motivates you na kaya mo yan every single day.
So it all started 19 to 20 years ago when I started with the BDJ Power Planner. The reason I focused on women and not just the general market na working professionals is because I realized women, when I was doing like market research interviews, like asking what do you want in a perfect planner and how do you plan and so on, all of these things. It was women or Filipinas in particular who were more, yung mas maarte sila sa planner nila.
Oh,
Kasi,
I am that.
guys, na I mean, not trying to generalize, but during
Yes.
that time when we were doing the research survey, is that parang kahit anong notebook na ibigay mo, okay na. So the target market that we were looking for with the BDJ planner is that someone na who takes the time to buy and choose what kind of planner will fit their lifestyle. So meron siyang additional intention or gravitas toward this category kasi they feel attached na, oo nga, I believe a planner can really help my lifestyle, help me manage the many things that I'm doing, help me achieve my goals, right? So, yun yung mga people na gusto talaga namin kausapin. The people wherein their goals matter to them, the people who want to organize their life. So, because that's important to them, hindi nila baliwalain kung ano yung tool na yung makakatulong sa kanila.
Do you want to learn more about Darlene Pinilo's inspiring journey? Head over to our YouTube and Spotify channels for the full podcast session.